Hello everyone. I'm going to explain about organizational structure in this video series of personal and group dynamics. In this video, we are going to learn about the basic meaning for organization structure. An organization structure is a system that outlines how certain activities are directed to achieve the goals of the organization. In order to achieve the goals of organization, we are uh, asked to perform certain activities. Those activities are collectively known as organization structure. These activities can include rules, roles, and responsibilities. The organization structure also determines how information flows between levels within the company. For example, in a centralized structure, decisions flow from the top to down, while in decentralized structure, decision-making power is distributed among the various levels of organization. Having an organizational structure in place allows companies to remain efficient and focused. So organizational structure can be in different types. In certain organizations, usually the information flow or decision flow will be always begin from the top level, then middle level and low level. In some organizations which follow decentralized structure, usually decision making power will be distributed among all the level of the organizations equally. Organization structure is very important to remain efficient and focused in achieving organizational goal. Then we are going to learn about various types of organizational structure. Functional top-down hierarchy is the first type. As the name indicates, a functional and top-down organizational structure reflects a traditional business structure. Usually, most of the organizations will follow this kind of organizational structure. In this structure, it shows the C-suite at the top, followed by the senior management, middle managers, and so on. The structure is divided into traditional departments like IT, marketing, finance, human resources, and operations based on everyone's functional role in the organization. In such an organizational structure, employees with similar skill sets and specialization are grouped together. However, they often suffer from the lack of visibility and communication with other departments. In this kind of organizational structure, employees with similar skill set will be joined together or will be assigned tasks together. So they may often suffer with the problem of lack of visibility and communication with other departments. Then the second type is divisional organizational chart. A divisional organizational chart reflects a company organized along the product line or a specific geography. For example, in a car company, the divisions may respect SUVs, sedans, and electric cars. Each division that has its own functional structure, like IT and marketing. The company will use a divisional setup like when one division is sufficiently independent from other. However, this kind of structure can also add some accounting on other overhead. So this is divisional organizational chart. Then the third one is matrix organizational chart. A matrix organizational chart reflects a company where employees are divided into teams by projects or product led by a project or product manager, but also report to a functional manager. It shows a company that operate using cross-functional group instead of vertical silos. So the operations of the concern will be uh, cross-functional. So it is known as cross-functional groups. The other name is cross-functional groups. A matrix organization structure can help facilitate better, more open communication and create a flexible, dynamic work environment that can easily shift resources where they are needed, but it can also create confusion and frustration with dueling priorities and supervisors. Then the next more type of organization structure is flat organization chart. A flat organization structure will show few or no levels of management between executives or all other employees. There will not be any particular levels like middle level, high level, low level. There will not be any levels within the organization. This type of structure empowers self-management and greater decision-making ability for every employee. It's most often employed by small businesses. This kind of organizational structure will be followed only by small scale business people, but it is not unheard of it even at large companies. We may not be able to hear this kind of organization is prevailing in large concerns, Mostly these kind of flat organization structure will exist only in small size of business concerns. Thank you.